What's up guys? A couple of videos ago we made Space Cat. So today we're going to explore Space Cat inside his rocket ship. Let's go. Welcome to Monkey Doodle, guys. I'm going to grab my marker. We're going to draw a large rocket ship flying in outer space. So we're going to start with a long curve like that. And on the opposite side, do the same thing, long curve. All right, so we have a pointy top part and a wide net part at the bottom. Let's close that at the bottom with a little bit of a curve, okay? Let's put two lines that go down, close that with a curve. It's the bottom, the thruster of the rocket. Put two lines in here, make it look cool. And let's put a couple of flames shooting down, some curvy lines that just come out from the other flames, okay? So just a bunch of curvy lines that connect. All right, and I ran out of a little bit of room here, but if you have more space, you'll see the end of your flame, that's fine. Okay, so let's make some side fins to the rocket. Let's make two angles go down here on each side, two slanted lines. Short, straight slanted line down from there, and then straight slanted back to the main body of the rocket. That looks kind of cool. Make it more interesting and aerodynamic. All right, I bet you guys are doing great. We are blasting off today, guys. Woohoo! Okay, let's make a door over here. Maybe this is where Space Cat entered the rocket. So U-shape, upside down U-shape, little doorknob there. Maybe Space Cat is in the USA rocket, United States of beautiful America. We're going to put a porthole window here. And that's where we will be seeing Space Cat's face very soon. Two lines at the top, two curvy lines here. Give it a little interest, and I'm going to put an extra fin on each side. Short slanted line sticking out here with a straight line. Same thing on this side, guys. This makes the rocket more interesting, okay? All right, I'm going to switch over to my other Sharpie since I need to do some smaller details. You guys can do the same if you need to. The smaller Sharpie gets me in there. I'm going to draw Space Cat's face here. He's in the rocket. Here is his face. It's a U shape. Go down for the ears and close it with a little curve. All right, two little eyes, little nose, short line coming down, and a little curve on each side there. So tiny details, all right? You can make it a tiny bit dark in here if you'd like for the inside of the ear. And then some whiskers, 1, 2, 3, real little short lines, 1, 2, 3. And he's pretty happy zooming in outer space. He just came back in from his spacesuit, exploring what's out there in the great unknown. Two lines that go right to the bottom of the porthole. All right, and that's his body. And you could do a little oval belly shape here if you really want to, okay? All right, Space Cat is happy, zooming in outer space. We're going to do some stuff around the rocket to make it interesting. Perhaps we have some stars out there. Okay, so a couple of stars in different places. You can make 5-pointed stars in different parts of your paper. Again, you can do what you wish in yours. I don't know what's out there. Maybe you guys have UFOs and aliens. Okay, so Space Cat's zooming through outer space. We could put a couple of zoom lines here if you want. These are called action or speed lines. All right, makes it look like it's really zooming. All right, you could even put one out here if you wish. That rocket's going super fast, probably 1,000,000 miles an hour. Wouldn't that be exciting to join Space Cat and be his crewmate? All right, let's do something silly besides that. He's zooming. How about, what would Space Cat want to see out there? Well, of course, Space Cat would love it if there were fish flying in outer space. He would love that, wouldn't he? Silly Space Cat. Make some fish flying in outer space. Ha ha. What else are you going to throw at a Space Cat? So I make this shape that crisscrosses. All right. And a simple fin on top. All different ways to do fish. The Space Cat is getting hungry, of course. He wants those fish. Okay. And maybe there's one down here somewhere too, a little one. Crazy Space Cat. How about down here? Good spot. All right. Okay, maybe there's some little planetary things happening out there, little circles, maybe Saturn's out there. You could do tiny dots, could represent stars or planets, whatever. You guys are the boss of your paper, so have fun with it. Maybe there's a meteor flying around here with craters in it. It looks like a face, that one. All right, go in the opposite direction. All right, awesome job with your rocket, guys. Let's blast off with Space Cat and let's hyperspace color this. Babi, you're still floating around in outer space? What are you doing, you silly monkey?